Hi guys, in this video I show you the mockup feature in Canva. Let's go. First, upload your photo or find a nice one in the Canva library, for example a nice car. Click on photos and let's choose this one for example. So all you need to do is click on the photo, then on edit, scroll down until you see the apps, click directly on mockups or see all to see all the apps, and click on mockups. Here you have different options. Choose a cup, smartphones, laptop screens, or any other stuff. You can check it out. I like to use this smartphone because it's nice for thumbnails, for everything. Click on one of them and you can see it's already 3D transferring the picture into this mock-up. And yes, you can make it bigger and adjust a little bit. Let's highlight the wheel here, for example, and apply changes. Alright, it's very nice. You can see perfect fit. And yeah, this kind of stretching and 3D transferring you cannot do without the mockup feature. So that's why it is a nice feature and I wanted to show it. Guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.